Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm happy to share up and coming and latest Louis Vuitton bags. Of course, I would be sharing to you guys everything that we need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. Everything are going to be featured here. So kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year, guys. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video. Also, please do follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags launching August 2024. Prices, SKUs, product features, launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your reference and for orders and availabilities. Kindly check with your CAs. Happy shopping, everyone! Alright, so guys, we are going to focus on the Women's Runway Show Fall Winter 2024. That would be launching August 2nd, 2024. First, we have the Pochette Heels, very beautiful design bag. Price is €1,550 or 1,999 USD. Material is coated canvas in this mini monogram print. Loving this new design, slouchy monogram bag. Next, we have the Saumur BB. Price is €2,400 or 2,970 USD. Coated canvas in monogram mini print with VVN leather trims, detachable VVN top handle, crossbody strap, and gold hardware. Launching everything would be August 2nd, 2024. Next, we have the Lucky Trunk. This one, guys, I feel is going to be hot and trending. So, price is €3,000 or 3,700 USD. Material is coated canvas in monogram with leather trims. It would come with detachable top handle, crossbody chain strap, gold hardware with trunk details. Next, we have the Coussin PM. Price is €3,900 or 4,950 USD. We have SKU here. The main material of this very beautiful Coussin is lambskin leather plus gold tweed, as you can see with a close-up. It would come with detachable chain top handle, crossbody canvas strap with gold hardware. Next, we have the very beautiful and new design slim trunk. So it resembles like a miniature version east-west style of the side trunk. So this one is €3,200 or 3,850 USD. Calfskin leather colorway is the Trianon gray. It would come with silver hardware, as we could see here, and we're noticing that it looks very similar to the side trunk. Then it would come in the noir colorway. So again, slim trunk. Price is €3,200 or 3,850 USD. Material is calf leather. Color is noir with silver hardware. So here is what it looks like when worn. So it would come with detachable chain strap and detachable leather crossbody strap. Another colorway of the slim trunk we have here in the vanille colorway. Same price of €3,200 or 3,850 USD. We have SKU here. Loving this nude vanille beige colorway with the vanilla or the silver hardware. Again, same configuration, same details, just like with the earlier that we have discussed. This one, a very special slim trunk flower. Price of this one is €5,700. So the main material of this one is canvas, but this time, guys, it is embellished with sequin Louis Vuitton flowers, cowhide leather trim, cowhide leather lining, silver hardware, trunk details with detachable leather and chain strap. Next, we have the mini trunk or mini square trunk flower. This one is a little bit expensive because it's already a trunk. Price is 12,000 euro or 14,900 USD. Canvas with sequins, Louis Vuitton flower embellishment, as we could see here how gorgeous when we are doing the close-up. Next, we have the tower trunk. Price of this hefty piece is 65,000 euro. We have SKU here. Material is coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. Louis Vuitton trunk detailing. But guys, please take note that this is not a trunk that could be dismantled. This is just a one-piece tower trunk as you have seen in the photo. And then we have the very beautiful Valisette Resort Time trunk. Price of this one is 9,000 euro or 11,100 USD. So this is the interior. Material is leather with cowhide leather trims, cowhide leather top handle, detachable crossbody strap. It would come with gold hardware as well. Next, we have the On-the-go size MM. Still, guys, everything is part of the Women's Runway show Fall Winter 2024 collection. So the material of this one I have discussed previously on our previous episodes. Coated canvas with Vivian leather trims. The colorway is the Trianon gray. Gold hardware with hook for closure. Then we have the very beautiful Ivy wallet on chain. Price of this one is 1,600 euro or 1,920 USD. Material is coated canvas with Vivian leather trims. Color is the Trianon gray. Gold hardware, detachable Vivian crossbody strap with gold chain strap. Next, we have the very beautiful side trunk MM. Price of this one is 4,700 euro or 5,800 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. Material is leather with Vivian leather trims, gold hardware, detachable crossbody strap, and detachable top handle bag with bag tag, as you can see here with the close-up. Then it would come with the version of the Alma. Take note, size is extra large. Price of this one is 3,500 euro. So guys, how do you feel with this vintage looking print of this bag? So as you can see, it has a malletouch interior. It would come with this bag tag as well. Padlock, key clochette as the regular Alma that it comes with. Then we have the Atlantis size MM. Price of this one is 3,200 euro or 3,800 USD from the Women's Wear Fall Winter 2024 collection. Material is calfskin leather, but you're noticing that the lining is monogram, and it would come with detachable monogram pochette as well with bag tag, bag charm, and detachable crossbody strap. And then we have the Petite Malle malletage. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price of this one is 15,000 euro. We have SKU here. Material is quilted leather or the malletage pattern. Silver hardware, as we could see here, the S-lock is silver. It would come with detachable leather strap. Next, on the Fall Winter 2024 Runway collection, we have Go 14 size PM. For the price of this one, it's 5,500 euro or 6,050 USD. The main material of this one is tweed. I think this is the first time that I'm seeing the Go 14 in the tweed material, but then again, guys, I could be wrong. So here is the champagne gold hardware. It would come with detachable strap and detachable chain strap as well. But it would come with leather versions such as this one. So we have the Go 14 PM. Same price, 5,500 euro or 6,050 USD. Material is lambskin leather with leather lining as well. The colorway is blue denim. The hardware is silver. It would come with detachable top handle and detachable chain strap as seen in the photos. Then it would come in the burgundy colorway. So this one again, Go 14 size PM. Same price point of 5,500 euro or 6,050 USD. Please take note of the SKU. So here is the close-up of the detail of the malletage leather, then it comes with the silver hardware with detachable pieces as mentioned earlier. And last but not the least, it would come in the color sand. So we have Go 14 size PM, same price point of 5,500 euro or 6,050 USD. Same material, lambskin leather, then it would come with leather lined. And the difference of this one is it would come in gold hardware. How gorgeous is this combination? And last but not the least for today's episode, we have the outline headband. So price of this one is 465 euro or 540 USD. We have two SKU here, guys. One for the monogram and one for the reverse monogram version. So as you can see, this headband would come in the coated canvas, but the lining is leather. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the very beautiful bag selection of LV that we have discussed, did you like anything so far? I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below which ones are you adding to your wish list. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a dancing girl emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's the cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!